Yeah, welcome to another exciting section with me. And in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can extract phone numbers online. Maybe you are a marketer and you want to send broadcast SMS to people about your products. This is how to do it, and this is for educational purpose only. Don't use it to disturb people and all that. So I'm going to show you how you can get people's phone number, especially their niche. So follow me step by step as I take you to this. It's simple, but you have to pay detailed attention. Number one, what you need to do is to come to the internet and locate your browser. So let's come to my browser here, and right here in my browser. Okay, so if you are seeing here, what I've done is this. I want to scrape phone numbers from Nigeria from people who are into saloon. So I just write saloon, beauty saloon in an enclosed quotation mark, and then write +234. That is phone number for Nigerian code. So if the phone number code of your country is different, you can change it. But here for me is +234. So that is it for me in Nigeria. So when I hit that, you are going to see a lot of searches that are here. All you just need to do is to Control A. Sorry, leave there. Control A to copy the entire thing on the screen you're seeing. Control A and then Control A, then Control C. That's to copy. You now copy the whole thing. When you copy, you now come to this phone number extractor. What you can actually do is go to your Google and do phone number extractor. Once you opens up, you are going to locate this one I'm using right now, which is this. Okay, convertcsv.com. That's what I'm using right now. So once you load it and enter here, you are going to see the interface like this. Step one is to choose your input method. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So the second one is your results section, where you are going to see the results, generate outputs. Okay, so what you need to do is to paste what you have copied from the previous page, and then scroll down. As you see, we don't have any results, but when you click on extract, you are going to see that it has extracted some phone numbers. So copy this down and then go somewhere, maybe in your Excel sheet or wherever, and paste it. Yeah, so when you copy and paste, the next thing you need to do is, okay, let's say you want to change your beauty salon. You now want to focus on people who are barbers, right? Okay, so you put the spelling there and then click on search, and it's going to give you it's going to give you the search page of people who are into barbing. So you now Control A and then Control C. Then you come here again, you clear this one that you've copied, ensure that you copy it, clear it, and then go back to the result again, clear this result here and paste. So when you paste, return down and then extract, and it's still going to extract different kind of numbers. You copy it again, and then I want to show you something. This is the first page. You can go to the second page, or you can change the setting of your search so that you'll be able to load up to 100 items at the go. So you Control A. When you go to the second page of your search page, you now go to the second page like what I just did, copy it, everything again when it's loaded, and then come here again, clear this result, ensure that you are pasting it. You copy and paste the result to somewhere because you're not going to see it again. Okay, so you run this again, extract. So when you go here, extract again, it's going to extract you phone numbers here. So you copy it and paste. This is how to extract phone numbers of people online, and these numbers are, they are working. You can test them, you can do whatever you want to do with it, but this is how to get phone numbers online. So if you are into digital marketing, or if you are into any kind of business that you want to reach a wider audience by SMS, you can use this to get people's phone numbers and then send them SMS. But this is for tutorial only. Yes, if you want to use it, ensure that you are following the guidelines, the rules and regulations of sending bulk message to people. Enjoy your day. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel so that you get tech tutorials from me. You know, some things that are simple to do, but you don't know that they are this simple. Yes, I'll be teaching you all of those in this channel. So subscribe right now so that when I upload next, you'll be able to see the video that comes your way. Enjoy your day.